Now I show you how to program the tooth shape. You must press the button Shift and the button Library. Now you put in the number of the tooth type. It's the number 3. You can store under this number 20 different tooth shapes. For example, I want to program the tooth shape number 1. And now I can program the face angle. For this saw blade is plus 10 degrees. And then I program the length of the tooth shape. The length of the tooth face. The length of the tooth face.
Okay.
Is 2 millimeters. 0.02 millimeters. And then I program the number of teeth. In this case, it's 500. So, and now I program the walking speed in mil per minute. In this case, we have 200 mil per minute. So, and then I can switch on the cooling pump. You must put number 1. And then I program and put in the program the radius of the grinding wheel. 0.65 mil. That's all. Then I press the button Insertion and Escape. Now the machine is ready for start.